So hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are discussed about a new Dester coin, the RWA Revolution meme coin. So first of all, now if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't miss the new video. So let's start our video without any time, without invest any time. So here you can check this type interface. Here is the many more option in this platform. So here is the DSC, this disaster coin, the RWA revolution meme coin, beyond fun and dopamine coin combine GameFi and the real world assist to the revolution to turn investment into the real impact, simple, innovate and revolutionary. So here is the YDSC and YY picks. So fundraised, here is the stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 is the 42.63%. Stage 1 is the 0, and here is the total is that go. And now how does the desire coin V2V booster work? So here is the many about media and the coin token mix, low fee 5%, total supply 1 trillion and locked 10 year. And here you can YDSC our roadmap. Here you can check the roadmap. Here is the many FAQ, what is the desire, and we can start without any investing time. So here is the home option, and here is the about our media and token mix. So here you can check, and here is the YDSC. So now I will explain. So here is the disaster uh, disaster coin pre-sale price 0.0009 USDT. So here is the USDT, VSC and DSC. This is the amount of USDT desire coin. So connect your wallet and copy the referral link USDT. So easily you can connect the wallet and convert it. So I have to trust wallet, so easily we can convert it back to the wallet. Here is the connection, and here is the blockchain also. And now I will show you the more. So this is the please connect the wallet first. So now I will tell you how to connect wallet first. So here you can check, this is the connection, and here you can connect this wallet. So you can check approval, add VNB smart chain, and according to here you can approved. So this is our wallet connection has been approved. So you can check the referral has been copied. So now I will show you these social media including in this platform. Now I will show you. So here you can join this group, disaster coin official. Here you can check, you can join this group easily. Here you can check easily, you can join this group. And now I will show you, here you can check the more, and now I will explain the more details. And guys, here you can check the site official. Here you can check, this is the Twitter. So now I will show you the Twitter account. So you can check disaster coin. Here you can check, I have to follow, and here you can check the more media. And now here is the cryptonomics. Here you can check buy and sell the token. So here you can check home, and here you can check, this is the, you can check login, And now I will show you. Here is the TikTok account and Discord account. You can join to them if they invite you. Easily you can catch the platform. And now I will show you the more details. Here you can check. Here is the many more option, and now I will show you. And here is the many details in this platform. So I hope you can understand very well, and if you are visit to my first time, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So take care, meet the next video.